The benefits of drinking green tea for weight loss. Green tea is well known for its health-boosting properties, but did you know it can also be used for weight loss? Green tea contains natural chemicals which help to stimulate fat burning at the cellular level. It can be very helpful to consume this when following a weight loss diet or an exercise plan because it boosts fat burning. In today's video, we will explore how green tea affects the body and helps with weight loss. 1. Boosts fat burning. Drinking a cup of green tea in the morning helps to boost the metabolism in order to lose weight. It contains subtle amounts of caffeine and antioxidants which stimulate fat burning, especially when exercising. One scientific study showed that green tea extract boosts fat burning by 17% when working out. 2. Mobilize fat cells. In order to burn off body fat, the body must first break it down and move it through the bloodstream. Epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, a compound found in green tea, helps this process by boosting fat-burning hormones such as norepinephrine. This promotes fat breakdown so that your muscle cells can burn it for energy. 3. Boosts metabolic rate. Studies show that drinking green tea on a daily basis can help to burn off 4 to 8% more calories each day, even at rest. Your body burns calories even when sitting down or sleeping because millions of cell functions require energy. Green tea extract was shown to burn an additional 183 calories in those with obesity each day. 4. Insulin sensitivity. It has been found that drinking green tea reduces blood sugar levels naturally and increases insulin sensitivity. This means that more energy is burned in the body and sugary foods are less likely to convert into fat cells. EGCG, the main compound in green tea, does this by reducing insulin resistance. 5. Reduce appetite. Because green tea helps to reduce insulin resistance, the body is able to make energy more efficiently. This naturally lowers the appetite and makes you less likely to crave processed foods and sugar. This works particularly well with EGCG supplements made from green tea. 6. Abdominal fat. One of the best benefits of green tea is its ability to help reduce belly fat, especially visceral fat around the internal organs. By reducing inflammation, the antioxidants in green tea help to shrink the stomach in particular and protect against heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and inflammatory illnesses. 7. Hydration. It is always very important to stay hydrated when trying to lose weight. Green tea is a great alternative to coffee and soda drinks as it contains less caffeine but just enough to stimulate weight loss. We recommend the matcha green tea variety, for this contains more concentrated antioxidants. 8. Diuretic. Green tea is also a natural diuretic which helps to flush out excess water from the body. This is excellent to reduce fluid retention so that your cells can produce energy at a faster rate. We highly recommend this if you feel sluggish or tired often. 9. How to drink. You do not need to consume large quantities of green tea to stimulate weight loss. Simply drink 2 to 3 cups per day for the desired effect. Many people make the mistake of adding boiling water to green tea leaves. However, you should allow your hot water to cool for 10 minutes before infusing the leaves. Boiling water can break down the important catechins in the leaves, so it's important to make sure that this is cooled slightly. 10. Other benefits. Green tea is also helpful in balancing the hormones to protect against alopecia and hair loss, especially over the age of 50. It also lowers inflammation to protect against inflammatory illnesses such as heart disease, arthritis, and joint pain. You can learn more about this in our other videos at the end. As you can see, green tea is fantastic for weight loss and promoting fat burning in the body. It is important to also follow a healthy eating plan along with regular exercise. This drink simply improves your efforts and makes it easier to lose weight. We highly recommend following a low-carb diet such as healthy keto, as this is one of the fastest ways to lose weight. This diet involves eating lots of healthy fats and protein with a minimal amount of carbohydrates, only vegetables and healthy salads. You can also perform intermittent fasting, a simple diet trick which involves eating all of your calories in a 5-hour window during the day. This gives your body a further 19 hours to rest and digest, which stimulates faster fat burning. In our other videos, we discuss the benefits of many other superfoods, especially herbs, spices and tonics. To learn more about nutrition and herbal medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening, a like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.